This is a VPN UK setup tutorial. We will now show you how to set up the VPNUK app, version 1.9, on Apple iOS devices. The VPNUK app is available as a free download in App Store. This setup tutorial is being carried out on a 9th generation iPad, with iOS version 15.7. The setup may differ slightly to other generations and iOS versions. If you do not have the VPNUK app installed, you will find a link to the app in the comments section of this tutorial video. You should now navigate to the App Store on your iOS device and then install the VPNUK app. Once the VPNUK app has installed, click on to open. I will now show you how to connect to your VPNUK account. I will use the VPN account connection method. From the user account or VPN account toggle at the top of the screen, choose the option to log in with VPN account. You can then enter your VPN account login username and password. Now click on to pick a VPN server button and select your server. I will choose a random shared IP server for this tutorial. That's all you have to do. You have successfully configured your connection. You can now connect to your VPNUK account. If you would like to try the VPNUK service for free, please come over to the VPNUK website at vpnuk.net and sign up. We are also always available on our live help service to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for viewing.